All right, so we have our rectangle with a few holes cut through it. So I'm going to draw the side profile, the end profile, and then cut some holes out. So let's draw our overall rectangle this time. So dimension tool, this one here. So the height of our whole rectangle is 55 and the length of our rectangle is 100. Finish sketch. How far do I need to extrude it? I need to extrude it 75. So 75, there he is. Now we're going to come through and we're going to cut out this hole and this hole here. So I'm going to go sketch, click on this face so it spins around. Now I can draw both of these at the same time. I'm just going to grab my rectangle tool. I'm just going to draw it roughly there. And then this one, it goes from this corner down to about here somewhere. And then we can start doing some dimensions. So from this point to here is 10 on our drawing. And then our rectangle is 25 long and it is 12 mil down. So you can see that that's all turned black. Whereas this one's still blue because it doesn't have enough information to know exactly where it needs to be. So on this one, we're going to go, it is 30 wide. It is 30 down. And this part here is the same as that. So that's all black. And that should be all that we need and all the information we require. So we're going to go finish. And we're going to choose both of them. So you see if I click one and then the other, it doesn't actually select both. I can go extrude and I can choose the other one as well at the same time. I'm going to push them both back at once. You could do this as two different extrudes or you can do them both at once. And there is my lovely shape.